Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Bither wallet for offline transaction. You will need two devices for offline transaction. One that's connected to internet, which is the hot wallet, and another that stays completely offline, the cold wallet. Make sure Bither is installed on both devices. On the offline device, open the Bither application and create a new cold wallet that will allow you to sign transactions without exposing your private key to the internet. Open the Bither application and click on plus button. Here, click on others button and you can click on generate normal private key, and that is how you can create a cold wallet. On the device that is connected to internet, open Bither application and select the wallet. Here, click on send button and enter recipient Bitcoin address and the amount you want to send. You can also adjust the miner fee from here, and you'll need to type in a password on this field. Instead of sending the transaction directly, Bither will give you an option to create an unsigned transaction. Save this as a QR code or text file. Now switch to your offline device, which is cold wallet. Open the Bither application and go to the cold wallet section and scan the unsigned transaction QR code to import the transaction files. After importing, Bither will ask you to sign the transaction. Since the device is offline, your private key will remain secure. Once signed, the application will generate new QR code for the signed transaction. Go back to your hot wallet device and open the send section. The signed transaction QR code from your cold wallet. Once the signed transaction is imported, Bither will broadcast it to the Bitcoin network. And that is how you can successfully send your Bitcoin without ever exposing your private key to the internet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.